Katie.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk flowers for rent. So we have an exciting request today.
Yes, we have Audrey's request. This is the photo she put, which is from our fall winter 2025 lookbook. So it is a mix of Zayah and Marlowe on tables. So I think she wants to do that too for her reception. So she wanted also a ceremony space as well.
Yeah, so that's gonna look really good.
Yeah, we have Zayah Floral Meadows, Marlowe Floral Meadows, Zayah Posies, and Marlowe aisle markers.
Okay, cool. Now let's get into it. So we're gonna start with the Meadows as a base. They sit on a piece of foam, so they're lightweight, and they sit flat to the ground, so they don't have the vase. It's a split arch.
Yes, so she wanted a split arch, so we're gonna each have a side. One side will be a little longer than the other.
Now we're gonna take a Marlowe Meadow, so same thing that we just placed with the Zayah. It also comes on the foam, and we're just gonna place it where next to?
Yes.
Should I do mine on the inside so it's not matchy? Like this?
Yeah. Okay, so my side will have one more than Abby's since it is a little asymmetrical. Place it in front of this Marlowe one, not necessarily lining it like this.
Yeah,
forward facing. And then next we're gonna have all of our little additional pieces.
So if you're wondering how to mix and match collections, you'll hear our team recommend that often. We don't offer customizations, but there are easy ways to blend and mix and match. So our favorite product to do that is aisle markers and posies. They're just really easy, smaller pieces to stick into the larger pieces.
Yes.
So we'll obviously do Marlowe and Zayah, Zayah and Marlowe.
Mix it in.
So our aisle markers will come with ribbon. You could probably just tuck it in, but you can wrap the ribbon around the center and hide it.
So I'm taking the Zayah Posies and placing it. I have two for each meadow. So I'll place it in the Marlowe. And then Abby's working on placing the Marlowe in the Zayah. So this is really all you have to do to achieve that look of a blended Okay,
Audrey, we hope you love how this turned out, and we can't wait to see how you recreate it on your wedding day. Be sure to send us pictures.
very easy, super fast.
Yeah, it took us no time.
Yeah.
So Audrey, we hope you love it.
Yes.
And if you have a request you want to submit for us to recreate, the form is in the description below. Let us know your budget, the collection you're interested in, the area you need help with, and then don't forget to put a picture in there because that is key to the whole series. We need to understand your vision, and yeah, that's
Pretty much
all you
it.
gotta do.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye.